Hello guys, welcome back to another video of our YouTube channel Psycho PSC. Now today we are doing a special video because now we are in Bangalore. The building behind me is Kendriya Southern, which is the headquarters of SSC KKR, SSC Kerala Karnataka region head office. Now today we are having a document verification of SSC CPO 2019 batch. Some of my friends are here for document verification, so I am doing exam review like our previous videos, just like our previous videos. But today is document verification. We are reviewing document verification review कर रहा है. Okay. The building is the headquarters of SSC KKR. Just show it. Okay. Okay, we can ask some of our friends just about this. Some question. Where are you guys from? Kerala. Full team Kerala. Yes. If you are having TV on today or tomorrow? If you have to TV today? Okay. I wish you a very all the best for all of you. I have some questions on DV.
Okay.
How was your DV? Is it successful?
It's fine.
What about the certificates? All are clear in?
Yes. It took some time to complete it, but it was okay.
Is there any delay in?
I felt some delay in the procedures and all. The procedures are somewhat complicated. There were multiple steps there. Multiple procedures are very tight schedules are going on. So it took some time.
Sir, where are you from? I mean,
I'm from Kerala.
so where are you staying now today?
I took a hotel nearby.
So can I ask you what are the important steps we should care about our DV?
The procedures were very simple, but our all documents should be perfect. In sense that if you should read the notifications very properly and clearly, and all the mentioned requirements should be completed. It's so mandatory.
Sir, is it your first DV for SSC?
Yes, it was my first year.
Totally, what was the experience about SSC DV?
It's quite fine. The faculties there were very satisfying. They
Supportive.
they helped us a lot.
Okay, are you returning today, sir?
Yes, I might leave today.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine.
Sir, can I ask you some questions about your DV, SSC CPO?
Yeah, of course.
How was your DV, sir? Is it successful?
Yeah, it is successful. It all went good.
Yeah, you are in first shift or second shift?
It was in the first shift.
How much time you taken this for this?
Approximately 2 hours. 2 hours.
All your certificates were clean and ready?
Yeah, they were all good.
What are the documents needed for this DV?
The 10th certificate, that's a matriculation certificate. It's mark list. 12th certificate and its mark list. Degree certificate, its mark list. You just got passed through this degree this year, so you have to submit your professional degree certificate. Mine was on 2016, so I had the original certificate and I submitted those.
We need the Xerox copies of this too.
Yeah, you have to self-attest these copies, and also should
Bring.
submit these.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, can I ask you about your post preference for this post?
Yeah, the first one was CISF, second one BSF, because of low scoring, I put DP on the last one.
Okay.
Yeah.
I wish you very best of luck for this post.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Sir, can I ask you some questions about your DV?
Okay.
You can first ask me. Sir, how was your DV? Is it successful?
Yeah, it's actually okay.
Yeah, totally accepted.
Totally accepted. So, where are you guys from?
We are from Kerala, Palakkad.
Both are from Kerala. So, sir, what are certificates you provided?
So all the certificates regarding BTech, I'm BTech, so degree certificates and +2 metric, and if you are
Matriculation certificate, +2 certificate, and graduation certificate. And if you are reserving some category, we should provide OBC certificate. I am OBC, so I should produce OBC certificate for reservation.
Can I ask you about your post preference?
so it's provided first CSF, ESF, then CRPF, and delivered certificate.
Your first choice is CSF.
Yes, yes.
Can I ask you why you selected CSF to first?
So it's because of its job environment. It's better to get
Good family,
better family environment.
family
and,
life.
That's why it is CSF.
You expect a higher study in. I am asking you, if you join in CSF, you will try for a further job.
Yes, I'll try for some further jobs.
Okay. Can I ask you about your post preference?
I choose CRPF because I am pursuing now. I am doing training in CRPF, so it will be helpful for my career. That's why I choose CRPF as a first step.
Your first option is CRPF. You want your adventure life.
Yes.
Yes. You are already working in
What is
CRPF.
CRPF? I am doing training now.
Okay.
5 months.
Remaining.
Remaining 5 months.
Okay. You guys are trying for any other job or expecting any other results or in any other list?
Actually, I was working, and then I quit the job and just started preparation. Mainly, I'm preparing for PSC.
Yes, trying for Kerala
Kerala PSC. In meanwhile, I wrote this SSC CPO in 2019, and mainly concentrating on Kerala PSC.
Is you are going coaching for SSC?
No, only PSC. Kerala PSC.
Are you in main list of any now?
Actually, I have passed in
CPO?
CPO prelims and just going to
Exercise?
exercise and fireman.
Fireman. 3 list में
No, for inspector
इंस्पेक्टर असिस्टेंट और लीगल मेट्रोलॉजी. अच्छा आदमी है. What about your?
I love to work in my hometown. So I am now there is no time to study because I am in training. But I love to work in my hometown. So I am preparing when I get time.
So do you get any time to study in CRPF now?
No, it's very difficult. We have to sacrifice our sleep to study. So it's a little bit of tough to study.
So it will be a good opportunity if you get this
Of course.
compared to your.
Comparing with the constable GD, it's very good job in SA. So risk is very less, and we get more salary, and we can secure our life more than
So I wish you both guys a happy journey and you will get this job. Okay.
Thank you.
Sir, can I ask you some questions about your DV? Is it your DV successful?
Yes, of course.
How much time it take?
About 4 hours.
It's almost 5 o'clock. Does it take too much time because reporting time was 12:30?
Yes, sir. Yes, it was 12:30, but after 1 or 1:15 or 1:30, they went for lunch break. So that's why some delay was there.
Can I ask you about your post preference?
Of course, I am for first preference. I will go for essay in the police, and then second preference will be in CIS. And subsequently, I will continue since successful in market. Yes. Yeah.
When you are joined this post, you will try for any another post or satisfied with this post?
Actually,
Actually, if I get this post, we should understand the practicality in that. We will not get any time for further studies. We have to accept this job, and we can try for departmental exams, but we will not get any other job. That's the truth in that. Whether we want it or not, that's the truth in this policy.
Is this your first SSC DV?
Yes, of course.
Are you expecting any other exams like where are you from? Kerala?
Yes, of course.
Are you expecting any state PSC or any other list?
No, I am not in any other industry.
Just this post. Then you will join. Of course, you will join when you get this post. Surely. Okay, I am wishing you a very bright future and you will get this job. So can I ask you about some questions about your DV?
Of course,
Sir, how was your DV?
it was nice. It was really surprising.
Can you share your experience with about your DV?
Actually, I am the first time attending a DV.
SSC DV.
I see. It was very nice.
Is there only in single step? I mean, single verification or double verification? Okay.
So actually, I don't understand the question. Single verification means?
Only one person verifies your certificates or higher authority verifies
Oh, there are, I think, more than three people verify.
3 steps.
3 steps. More than 3 steps. I think.
Okay. So what was the attendance in today's DV?
Actually, in my shift, one person was absent.
Only one person was there.
Yes, one was absent.
Can I ask you about your post preferences?
Okay, I will tell you in that order.
Ah.
First, I choose CSF, then SSB, then BSF. Then actually, I preferred Delhi Police, and then CRPF, and at last, I choose ITBP.
Can I ask you why you put your Delhi Police in third option?
Because actually, I have low score. I don't think I will get Delhi Police. That's it.
Okay. Any other list or expecting any other results now?
No, actually, no. I don't have any other list.
Okay, so I am wishing you a very best of luck for this post. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, how was your DV?
It was nice.
Is it your both DV successful?
Yeah.
Certificate were clear.
Yes,
It was clear.
I have an issue with my mother's name. That is fine. I think so.
Why this much late is so many times?
Because we are last in the list, so they called our name last.
Our file was at the last.
How many were absent today? Do you know about?
Two absence.
2 absence.
Yesterday
Okay.
also 2 absence.
Can I ask you about your post preference?
Post preference. First was CISF,
Oh.
then Delhi Police.
Okay. Your first post preference?
CISF, BSF, CRPF, Delhi, SSB, ITBP.
Okay. Where are you guys from?
I am from Trivandrum.
Palakkad, Kerala.
Both are from Kerala.
Yeah.
So you guys are living today or living?
I am
Living
living
today.
living today. Okay. I wish you should get this post. Okay. Thank you.
Sir, how was your DV?
എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇതാണ് DV. ഭയങ്കര അടിപൊളി, ഭയങ്കര ഹാപ്പി, സംഭവം ഫുൾ സെറ്റ്. പെരികൾ പോയാൽ മതി, സെറ്റ്. കട്ട് ചെയ്തോ